how to install the applications that are no longer there in App Store. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install apps no longer in App Store. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to the App Store and then you're going to click on your profile here at the top right. Once you do so, you're going to click on this apps option over here and you'll be redirected to all of your apps. So here you'll be able to see two options. One is all and one is not on this iPhone. So basically when you click on not on this iPhone, these are basically all of these applications that you have installed in the past, but then you have deleted them. So you'll be able to see all of those applications that are no longer in App Store and that you have deleted from your phone as well. You'll be able to see all of them over here. So you can simply search for that specific application that you wish to download and download that application from here. So that is basically how you can install apps that are no longer in App Store. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.